Solar powered water fountain for 999 rupees. This is an amazing product. So my friend were using this for bird's bath, and I was so much impressed. Immediately I booked in Amazon for 999 rupees. So once if you purchase this, definitely without consumption of electric power, with the free of energy, we can use it for many days. This water fountain is so easy to operate. Just fix the pump to the knob and place this in a water. Before placing that, you can use the connectors for the water fountain. So they are adjustable connectors. 3 sets are given, so you can use as per your desire. This is the one which can pump more water and looks heavy fountain. The most important concept here in the solar powered water fountain, place this panel only under bright sunlight. When there is a continuous rays of sun on the panel, definitely it works amazingly. Even the tree shadow, leaves shadow doesn't works with this panel. The narrow one, the narrow nozzle, which again gives a very beautiful fountain, and there is one more nozzle that is with a one single hole, so even that works so beautiful with the height, with the major height. It shows a beautiful fountain. So this small product which gives the aesthetic sense for the garden and also the relaxation by its water sounds.